Yes. Good morning, everyone. And let me thank you all for joining this workshop today. I can see a lot of people still joining in. So let me just read out and let me just personally welcome each one of you. Hi, Anshita, Sukanya. And I have someone from Eurokids Hoodie, Bangalore. In Eurokids Mahalakshmi, Darshan Nagar. I would suggest if you can just rename your usernames with your name so that I'll be able to read out the names as well. Hi Jayastha, Padmini, then hi Preetam, Sarita, Sharmin. Okay. I also have Thara, then I have Aparna. Aparna is someone with whom I'm already working. Hi Yogesh ji, hi Thara. Okay, so it's great to have you all here. Uh, I just need to know if am I audible. So if I'm audible, I would suggest you to just mention. Okay, if you are able to hear us and if there's no disturbance, then just give me a thumbs up on the chat. So I'll be unblocking. I'll be unmuting you all in the end. Okay, let me just check. Maybe I'll just switch my headphones. Okay, so I think it's clear now, right? No need to change the headphones. Okay, great. So let's begin. I think I had not publicized this particular workshop because the actual the tomorrow we have a virtual summit. So I'll be sharing the link. For most of you must have already registered. So it's an all India preschool virtual summit part 2, and in that I have Sheetal Jetty, who's the founder at Chalk Academy. She is going to take up a few questions in terms of how you can get ready for the how you can get your school NEP ready. Okay, so after this workshop, I'll definitely share the link. Please join it. Now, to begin with, there are a few rules which I would like to tell you before. Okay, so the very first thing is that there's there's a lot of things that you're going to learn here. Okay, so ensure that you're taking a lot of notes. Okay, then I would suggest use headphones. Okay, so that you don't distract anyone and you also don't get distracted by any other people around. Okay, because the next 1.5 2 hours is going to be a lot of value which I'm going to give you. Okay, so please use headphones and have full focus. And then whoever waits till the end, okay, I'm going to give them a bonus. Okay, some gift or some offer which I'm going to disclose at the end of this workshop. So ensure that you're there at the end till the end of this workshop. Okay, yes. So begin with, as the topic says, how to get 30 admissions in the next 90 days. Okay, the topic itself is very attractive, and it is not difficult, okay, to get this if you have a plan in action. Okay, if you have a strategy in place and if you are disciplined. Okay, so now before we begin with the actual how to get these 30 admissions, I'm just going to take you through a bit of my background. Okay, because I'm sure there are a few who have already attended the summit last Sunday, but then for those who are attending this session for the first time, I'm going to just quickly take them through a brief about who I am and what I do. Okay, so my name is Sanket. My name is Sanket Fadke, and I'm the founder at Creative 31 Minds Consultants Private Limited. Okay, so when I started this company, I had a very pure and a very clear goal in mind, which was to enable 10,000 plus preschool owners, preschool entrepreneurs to grow their business with my expertise or with my team's expertise. Okay. And this somewhere struck me in the year 2017. And that's when I quit my job with a renowned preschool brand. And after that, I started my own venture. And today we are a team of 12 people dedicatedly supporting more than 120 preschools across India. So, yes. So as I said, we are current. It's been this is our third year of operation. In fact, fourth year of operation. We completed 3 years in 2020 November. So far we've touched base with 120 plus preschool owners. We are working with them, and there are 40 different brands with whom we have currently working or associated with in the last 3 years. Now, last year I had also launched a blueprint. Okay, this blueprint is called as the 30 admissions in 90 days. So, because I've worked with so many preschools, I've consulted them on a one-to-one basis. I was able to come up with a formula, okay, a 5-step formula. If that perfect formula is followed, okay, you will be actually able to get even more than 30 admissions in next 90 days. Okay, so that's what I've mentioned in this blueprint. And this blueprint also contains 31 different marketing ideas, basically lead generation ideas, specifically for the preschools. Okay, now this particular thing also is converted into an online course. Okay, which is under preschoolcoach.in. Okay, so during the lockdown last time, although there were so many schools which broke the association with us because of the lockdown, okay, and because of the financial crisis, we thought that the support that we provide should not stop anywhere, and that's the reason we launched this portal, preschoolcoach.in. Currently we have around 4 to 5 online courses on this website, but gradually we'll be adding a lot of so this is first ever online platform for preschool entrepreneurs, which has short online courses to help start, grow, and manage the preschools. Hold on, yeah. Then because we work with so many preschools now, and there's a team who continuously is there to support in terms of the creatives, the social media platforms, everything. We initially we are doing it on WhatsApp groups, okay, but then with managing 120 preschools on multiple WhatsApp groups was getting difficult. So that's why we came up with our own mobile app, okay, which is called as the Creative Connect. So this app basically helps us connect with the preschools with whom we are associated with, and basically they are able to communicate directly with the team, or either with the designer or the social media manager or the content person. Okay, so this app has given us a lot of productivity. So many things which were taking a lot of time, they are now the time has reduced, and the delivery time has increased because of this app. Then yes, we are this particular thing is right now in the making, and we are building a online website content builder. Okay, so there'll be a questionnaire of around 15 which will take around 15-20 minutes to fill it up. And once you fill it up and submit it, okay, there'll be a ready-made website content which will be sent to you, okay, in like within a few clicks. So we came up with this because we've seen a lot of preschool owners, first of all, they don't have their own website. Okay, even if they have a website, and the reason why they don't come up with a website is because they struggle with the content. Okay, so that's why we thought of building a free tool through which someone can just fill up a questionnaire, like around 40-50 questions, and on the click they can simply get the whole content drafted. So this is like an AI thing that we are building. And yes, this is one of the biggest project that we are coming up with now, and we are planning to launch it in the month of April. So it's an online portal. Okay. So which has a preschool CRM in place. It has a mobile app which can be used by parents, and basically a school management app with parents, so that they can check the attendance, the worksheets, pictures, everything. And we are also will soon be also coming up with lesson plan manuals. So a lot of lesson plans, so that basically the idea behind launching this portal is there has to be one single portal, an online portal, which will make the life of preschool owners easy. Okay, so the content, app, lead generation, then my preschool coach videos, everything in one place. Okay, and just like a Netflix, you subscribe for a Netflix account and then you use the content. Similarly, you will have to subscribe to this particular thing, and then you keep on using the services month on month. So yes, that is what I mean, this that's about my background, and why I'm doing this, and where I come from. So yes, I hope I mean, it's now, I'm sure you're waiting for the workshop to begin, and actually to know the secrets of how you can get these 30 admissions in the next 90 days. Okay. So yes, I'm going to tell you the three secrets. Okay. Please ensure that you're taking notes. Okay. And at the end of the session, I'll unmute whoever wants to ask questions. But right now, if you have any queries in between, just note them down. And at the end of the workshop, you can just raise these questions to me. Okay. So, secret number one. Okay. So, secret number one is generate relevant data and not leads. Okay. So generally with preschools whom I'm worked with, okay, they are desperate for generating inquiries. Okay. So they are so when they do marketing, they consider that if I'm doing a particular marketing activity, that should ultimately lead to getting more and more inquiries. Okay. So I'm going to change this whole idea here. So when I say secret number one is generating relevant data and not leads, okay, I'll explain you what exactly this means in the next slide. Yes. So when I say relevant data, okay, what I mean is when see preschool is a very location driven business, right? So if you have if you are able to promote yourself or reach out to parents in and around an area of around 2 miles, which is around 3.5 kilometers, your work is done. Okay. So all you need to focus on is only on that particular 3 kilometer radius, and ensure that you have the relevant data. So when I say relevant data, parents between 25 to 35 years of age. So generally parents between this age group range have children who are between 2 to 3 year olds, okay, or maybe 1 year to 3 year olds. So all you have to do is just target these people. Okay. And initially in the initial promotions, do not sell. Okay. Focus on generating the relevant data. Okay. Now how you do that is through Facebook campaigns. Okay. We run a lot of Facebook campaigns for so even today there are around 40 preschools whose campaigns are live right now, and we are in this the process of generating a lot of data. So how we do that, I'll just take you through it. As I said, number one is you should forget the age old traditional way of marketing. Just focus on Facebook ad campaigns. Reason being, they are very I mean, there's no other marketing activity which will give you the kind of ROI as Facebook. Okay. So if you see, if you are very new at Facebook, okay, if you haven't run any kind of campaigns before, then you should expect the lead of I mean the cost of 100 rupees per lead. Okay. So whatever activities or whatever campaigns you do, if you are getting a lead after spending 100 rupees on Facebook, that means you are on the right track. Okay, gradually this amount will keep on going down, okay, as and when you keep on optimizing the ads. Okay, but to start with, 100 rupees per lead is a good uh, ROI. Now, in order to generate 30 admissions, and if I consider that your conversion ratio is as low as 10 is to 1. Okay, so when I say 10 is to 1, every 10 leads or data you generate, you will be able to convert only one admission out of that. Okay, so now in order to do this, you will have to generate, if you want to generate say 300 30 admissions, okay, in the next 90 days, you will have to, by hook or crook, you will have to generate 300 data. Okay, so relevant data of 300 parents in and around area of 3 kilometers. So for that, you will have to have a budget, okay, a paid campaign budget of 30,000 rupees, okay, for the next 3 months, which comes to around 10,000 rupees a month. Okay, this is the kind of budget that you will have to so I'm talking about is the marketing budget for the next 3 months should be 30,000. Okay, which will be spent at around 10,000 rupees per month every month for the month of March, April, and May. Okay, with a budget of 10,000 rupees per month, you will be able to run a Facebook ad for 20 days. So let's consider we are taking a per day budget for the paid campaigns of 500 rupees. Okay, we'll be able to run a consistent ad on Facebook for the next 20 days. Okay, out of these 20 days, if we consider a per lead cost of 100 rupees, by spending 10,000 rupees, you will be able to generate 100 leads or 100 data points, okay, as in 100 data, relevant data of 100 parents in and around your area. Okay, so similarly continue doing this for the next 3 months, and that's how you month on month keep on generating those 100 leads. Okay, now I'm sure you have a question, so maybe most of you have already tried doing Facebook ad campaigns, okay, and you have basically failed in that. Okay, or maybe have not able to generate those kind of leads which I am talking about. Okay, so now uh, doing Facebook campaigns is one thing. What is to be communicated to through these Facebook campaigns is another thing. Okay, so when I say when you do a particular paid campaign, never sell through Facebook paid campaigns. Okay, so always offer, because in a paid campaign, if you are asking for some data, okay, in return there has to be some value add which you are giving. Okay, so few campaigns which we are currently running on a lot of Eurokid centers and other branches is wherein we are offering them the ad campaign talks about downloading a free PDF, okay, for a particular topic. And when they click on download, they first any parent who clicks on the ad has to first fill up a data, as in the name of parent, mobile number, email address, and only once they submit this data, they get the free PDF, a link to be which they can download. Okay, so always remember, do not do admission open ads. Okay, right now doing admission open for the next academic batch kind of admissions will never work. Okay, right now just focus, do not focus on selling through Facebook, just focus on generating data by giving some value. Okay, so one of the center, in a few centers we are also doing parenting workshops. Okay, so do not charge any registration fee for this workshop. So simply promote these parenting workshops on Facebook and get free registration. So in short, what we are doing is we are offering them some value through either through free PDFs or through parenting workshops. Okay, or maybe you can also say get a 1 hour one-to-one parent counseling session with our counselor, and for that just register. So that's how you actually offer something to the parent in order to collect their data. Okay, so come up with some such ideas wherein you can offer something to the parents, and that's how you can collect, in return you can collect the leads. So such kind of ads will definitely work, and they'll give you a per lead cost of around 100 rupees. Okay, now moving further. Okay, once you have generated a data, okay, so month on month, if you are able to generate this data with around 100 leads or 100 data points every month, then let me come to the secret number 2, okay, which is nurturing the data. Okay, so generally what preschools do is whenever they get any kind of an inquiry, okay, or maybe there's a walk-in and they just take the give the information about the school, and after the parent leaves, right from the next day, okay, or maybe once, twice, thrice a week, they simply keep on following up with them, and keep on asking them when this particular parent is going to come and enroll. Then they start talking about there's only say 10 days are remaining for the last enrollment, although every parent knows that in a preschool 24/7 the admissions are on. Okay, only unless you are full on capacity, you will have an admission closed board. But every parent today is smart enough to know that you have admissions open 24/7. Okay, so there's no point in following up typically like a sales process wherein you keep on calling them and asking them, please pay admission fees, I'll give you discount, I'll give you this offer. No, don't do that. Instead, whatever data you collect month on month, you need to nurture that data. Okay, now when I say nurture, what exactly I mean by nurturing this data is that whatever data you have generated, okay, keep adding more and more value to that particular parent, okay, through multiple ways. Okay, now how you can do that is through emails. Okay, by continuously sending them at least 5 to 8 emails in a month. Okay, and on alternate days when there's no email, on that day you can send them, keep on sending them messages. Okay, now what emails and what SMS are you should be sending them is what I'll tell you. Okay, so number one, so whatever content you send, okay, through emails or SMS, do not mention, again, as I said, these emails, these SMS that you are sending are to nurture them and not to bore them or not to sell them. Okay, so if you send an admissions open creative through mail, they might block your email address, or they might just spam you. Okay, instead, if you, through your emails and through SMS, if you keep on adding some or the other value, okay, so maybe you send a parenting tip. Okay, so maybe one particular month, every Monday you send them a parenting tip to the parent. Then maybe you can come up with a work, now because there are a lot of online schools which are on, you can give them monthly worksheets. Okay, and maybe just ask them to worksheets or activity sheets. Okay, and just ask the parent to fill up these worksheets by the student, enter their name, number, and submit it to the school, and then collect some free gift. Okay, so again, what you're doing is through emails you are just offering them something instead of selling them something. Okay, so all through these emails, so you can maybe conduct an online workshop and send them a free invite. Okay, conduct free counseling sessions for them, so parent counseling sessions. So one of your counselors can conduct a Zoom free counseling, and the registration for this can be sent through emails and SMS. Share parenting videos. Okay, so ideally, if the center owner or the counselor can herself record a 30-second or a 1 minute video, simply upload it on YouTube, and through email and SMS simply keep sharing the link for such videos. Okay, that will add a lot of value. And the last thing what I could come up with was like, you can suggest them a few mobile apps. Okay, you will have to do a bit of research, and maybe in terms of how a mother can get more productive. Okay, with a few mobile app or tools that she can use. So some or the other thing which wherein you are not selling anything, but you are simply adding more and more value to the parent. Okay, once you do this, what happens, I'll tell you. Okay, yeah, so to do this, I forgot this slide. So to do this, there are these two tools which I have mentioned here. Okay, these are free tools. So if you want to do an email automation, so once you have a data and if you want to schedule emails, okay, on month day to day basis or on a particular days for the whole month, you can use this email automation software, which is MooSend. This is free of cost for the first 1,000 contacts. Okay, and you can also use bulk SMS plans. Okay, these are two things which I personally have been using in the since the last 3 years, and these are really working great for me. So bulk SMS plans, all you have to do is just get yourself registered, complete a few formalities in terms of the DTA. Okay, and then start adding data, and you can simply schedule and start sharing. So maybe today also you have received a few messages from my end. Okay, so these messages were already scheduled 2 3 days before. Okay, so you just like 15 minutes before, you got one SMS for the workshop. So that's how I do it. So these are two tools which are free of cost. You can use them. Now what happens once you start nurturing the data? Okay, these the data, okay, the parents, they come into a different circle of trust. Okay, now once you have nurtured these leads for a month or 1.5 or 2 months, then is the time you move on, you get them into the circle of trust, and then that's the right time. Once they are in the circle of trust, that is the time when you can start selling them. Okay, so the third secret is nothing but start selling. Okay, so number one is you get them start getting the relevant data through paid ad campaigns. Number two is once the data is received, you start nurturing this data with multiple activities on email and SMS. And third, once they are into your circle of trust, then that is the point when you start selling them. Okay, so now start selling right people the right products and services. Okay, so according to the age group of the child, according to say, for maybe if the parent is having a toddler, okay, of a 6 month old child, then you maybe if you have a toddler mother toddler program, that can be pitched. Okay, so according to what the parent wants, you already have collected a lot of relevant data, and that's why you know, with all these data points, you have already got them into the circle of trust. Okay, and then that is the right time when you should start selling them. Once they are into the circle of trust, bang on, start selling them rigorously. Okay, so that is the time when you can also start. So if you start this whole thing in this month, so March April, 2 months, you can start you can generate a lot of data. March April May, mid of May, you can generate a lot of data with paid campaigns. You can start nurturing them, and by end of May is when you can rigorously start selling these parents. Okay, if you don't have the relevant data in the month of May or by May end, and if you start doing the lead generation or the data collection activity by May, it is going to be too late. Okay, you will need a lot of time to first nurture them, bring them into their circle of trust, and then start selling them. Okay, so generally what you guys will do is by May you start doing a lot of pamphlets and a lot of ads, banners, everything, and then immediately you start selling them. Okay, so which is not the right way to do. So if you start now, you will be able to generate the right data, you will be able to nurture them, and then start selling them in the month of March. Okay, so yeah, this was the these were the three secrets which I wanted to tell you today. So now I would just want to do a small recap. Okay, in which I'm going to just ask you if you have gone through all this and if you have taken notes, just mention the three number of secrets which I just took you through. So if you can just mention them on the chat box, I would like to read, and I would just like to know how many of you have actually genuinely gone through it, and you are really focused and serious about that. Yes. So Thara is has already started typing. So yes, he says collecting the right data, nurturing the data. Correct. And what is the third one? Can anyone mention it? Perfect. Yes. So great job, Shubha. Perfect. Perfect. So great. So it feels good to read these messages, because that means that I'm on the right track, and I have really added some good value to you guys today. Great. So uh, now that you've learned something today, okay, I'm not sure, but I would like to ask you if there's something else that you have overall realized in this whole process or in this whole workshop. Okay. As you know, I am a preschool coach, and I coach a lot of preschool owners. Okay. And I help them, I handhold them. So I don't know if Aparna is still here. Aparna is one of the preschool owners, partners whom with whom I've worked in, I think, like 2 years back. Okay. So I'm sure she'll agree to this. I started consulting her when she had around 13 to 15 kids in her school. We started our association, I don't know the year, but I think it was 2018 December. And that's when we came up with a 6-month plan. I gave them a complete budget of what needs to be done, and how much amount they'll have to spend in order to reach to a target of around 35-40 is what we had taken. Throughout her preschool I mean setup, they were not able to reach more than 13 to 15 admissions. But within those 6 months, with the right marketing plan and with the right coaching that I was able to give them, we were actually able to reach to, I think, 35 plus admissions. I don't know, Aparna, if you can just correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it was somewhere around 35 to 40 kids were able to I mean we are get able to get those kind of enrollments by June. So within 6 months we had a marketing place, and yes, correct, so 35 is what we have reached. So that was a big jump from 13 to 15 admissions directly to 35 admissions. But unfortunately now, because of the lockdown and there's completely a different picture. But yes, now that the schools are opening and gradually things are getting better, so this is the right time when you should start focusing on marketing. So what I wanted to tell you is that it is very important, okay, for you to have a coach. Okay. Because see, most of the preschools that I've worked with, okay, the owners with whom I've worked with, they are very good at running a preschool. Okay. In terms of the operations, in terms of the academics, in terms of training the teachers. Okay. But they are not good, or I won't say they are not good at, they have never learned the science or the art of doing a business. Okay. So becoming an entrepreneur is a choice. Okay. But to sustain, you will have to take a lot of trainings. Okay. Even today, okay, I run one agency, which is a digital marketing agency, and preschool coach, and there are multiple things that we do. But for me as well, when I stepped into the entrepreneurship journey, I had no idea of how to run a business. So I have taken a lot of online courses. There are 3 coaches whom I follow. Okay. So definitely, to in order to learn things which you don't know, you will definitely have to have a coach. Okay. So now, as a coach, what I do, how I handhold each preschool owner with whom I work with is, I'll just give you a brief on what exactly is that I do. So number one thing is, we do a one-to-one call. Okay. One-to-one call every 3 months, wherein we actually me and the particular preschool with whom I'm doing this, we do a one-to-one session in which we actually come up with the complete 3 months marketing plan. Okay, so what activity, what paid campaigns are to be done, how much amount needs to be spent, what is the promotional cost, how many leads you will be able to generate with that particular thing. So all this planning is done on a Zoom call one-to-one basis with each preschool owner. Okay, then I'll also help you out in mapping. So before we start doing any paid campaigns, it is very important that you map the exact location, you select the right audience, you select the right interest levels. Okay, so that is what I'll again help you on screen during this one-to-one call. Okay, I'll also be helping you or guiding you in terms of how to set up these email automations. Okay, how to set up these tools, how to draft these emails, and how to basically automate the whole process of generating a lead and then gradually nurturing them and then ultimately making the selling part. Okay, so this is what exactly with this, generally the one-to-one call goes on for an hour. Okay, wherein we both discuss the complete plan of action for the next 3 months. And then once the plan of action is ready, this happens on a Google sheet which is shared with the whole team which I have. Okay, so there'll be a dedicated designer, there'll be a dedicated social media manager and a content person who would be assigned to your school. These the sheet, accordingly to the sheet on whatever marketing plan we have discussed in the one-to-one, the team will help you in getting these things executed. Okay, so 80% of your workload in terms of preparing the ads, planning, strategizing, everything will be taken care by me and my team. Okay, so that's how we work. Now, apart from this, okay, there's also a few other things that we do. Okay, so I just talked about the one-to-one consultation that we do every 3 months. Apart from that, if you are getting associated with us, okay, we'll also be helping you out with wherein we'll manage your three social media platforms, mainly Facebook, Instagram, and Google Business. Okay, so these are the three social media platforms which we will be managing on your behalf. Okay, now what do I mean by managing these centers is that on your Facebook or on the social media platforms, you need to be very active. Okay, so even if you're doing paid campaigns on the ad manager, you also will have to keep your social media platforms active by regularly posting on them. Okay, so 15 parent engaging posts is what we'll be designing for your school. We stick to the brand language, the fonts, the color codes, everything, and we come up with a 15 post strategy. And all so if you consider 15 in a month, so there'll be one post which goes on your social media platforms every alternate day. Okay, so that's how we plan these things, we schedule them, we design them, and we schedule them for the whole month. Okay, so things are automated, and we'll be able to tell you what day which post is going to go. Okay, every school will have some different strategy depending on where they are, what is the location, how many people around. So the organic posting strategy will depend on the location, the city, everything. Then we'll also assign a dedicated designer. Okay, so as you know, I have worked with a renowned preschool. I have managed around 100 plus preschools in a particular region. I know how difficult becomes for preschool owners when there's an creative that they need. Okay, so generally with big brands, they have to send a request to the marketing team at the head office, and then they have to wait for the creatives to be sent to them. Okay, so here what we do is we have a lead time of around 12 to 24 hours. Okay, so most of the creatives are delivered to you within 12 hours as soon as you raise a request on the Creative Connect app. Okay, some creatives like a brochure or some insert creative, then they may take around one whole day, like 24 hours. But generally within 12 hours is what we deliver these creatives. So these creatives can be any creative. There's no limit in terms of how many creative requests you can send monthly. Okay, it can be a sports day invite, it can be a WhatsApp message, it can be a status, anything. Okay, whatever you need, we'll have this dedicated designer who will be assigned, who will get this job done. And yes, as I said, while designing, we stick to each brand language, the color code, the font. Like for Eurokids, we stick to the body, the color codes, the logo, font, everything. Okay. So then there are a lot of activity pictures which the teachers in your class, they keep on clicking. Okay. So now you, what, instead of you uploading them on Facebook, you simply upload them on the Creative Connect app, and that's where my team will download them. The content person will add a descriptive flowery description for the particular activity, and that's, every picture will have your school logo on it, and that's how these pictures are uploaded on your Facebook page. Okay, so these pictures will be uploaded on the same day when you upload them on the Creative Connect app. Okay, so all the teachers have to do is just have this app on their phone, log into that, and simply click pictures from phone and upload them directly on this app. Okay, and maybe a bit of description of what that activity is. So maybe there's a handprint activity which was done. They just need to mention that this is an handprint activity which was conducted in, say, playgroup A, and then the content will be drafted, and that's how we'll post them. Okay, so regular photo updates. Another point which I've missed here is we collect data of kids in your school who have their birthdays in those particular months. Okay, so every month, every day, whenever there's a birthday of a particular child, there'll be a creative which is in advance created along with the child's birthday picture, along with the child's picture, name, and happy birthday wishes. And these posts will go on the Facebook page on that particular date when the birthday is, when the child has his birthday. Okay, then as I said, we have come up with this Creative Connect app. Okay, so I'll be giving you the access to this Creative Connect app. Okay, so through which things become very easy. Okay, so initially when we didn't have this app, whenever the preschool used to send us a picture, set of pictures, these used to take time to upload, like 1, 2, or 3 days sometimes, because my person had to download them physically, add logos of each school, and that's how they were had to be posted. But now with the app, immediately within 1 or 2 hours, as soon as you send, these pictures get uploaded on your page. Okay, then, along with all these, I'm also giving you the access of the 30 admissions in 90 days course. Okay, so whatever I just explained, the three form secrets, was just part of what the 13 90 days, the 5-step formula. Okay, so I'll be also giving you the access, lifetime access for this course. Okay, so you can watch this n number of times, apply it in your preschools. Plus, this course also in the end has 31 different lead generation ideas, which you can, depending on where you are, how you are located, you can actually start implementing these ideas and start generating leads or data. Okay, and finally, we will also be offering you a micro website. Okay, so now those who already have a website, we can create landing pages for them. Okay, to collect, in order to collect data. But if you don't have your own website, we will also be creating a micro. What a micro website is, nothing but a one pager website. Okay, with 5 to 6 different pages. Okay, so the content will go on one single page, but then there'll be multiple pages. So maybe home, about us, contact us, and gallery. Okay, so that's how we'll be creating a micro website. And the only additional thing that you'll have to buy is the domain name. Okay, we'll also be providing you the hosting space. So hosting space is generally around 3 to 4 thousand a year, so which you don't have to bear. We'll be basically taking care of that hosting space. And yes, so we'll be creating, coming up with this website, and this is included in what I just told you. The only additional thing is that you'll have to buy a domain. Okay, now all this, okay, regularly, okay, on a regular term, what we charge to preschool owners is somewhere around 48,000 a year. Okay, obviously there are some EMI options available and all, but these are regular pricing, the commercials that we have. Okay, But now, considering all the current situation, and because you all have actually shown up here and you've taken out that time, and somewhere I feel that yes, you are those real action takers. Okay, so considering all that, the only for today, okay, only for the first 4 signups, okay, I am going to give all this, okay, the complete package, whatever I have told you, whichever whatever you can see on the screen, is for a yearly basis. Okay, so if we start this today, right from March. So you get 4 consultancy sessions from my end. Every 3 months, one consultancy, one-to-one session. And all this will happen month on month. So the social media management, parent engaging posts, dedicated, everything you get it for a complete 1 year. Plus, you also get the access, lifetime access for the 30, 90 days admission. And we also design a micro website for you. Okay, so all this instead of 48,000, only for the first 4 signups today, I'm going to offer this at 25,000 a year. Okay. Now there are EMI options available. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share a link. Okay. So let me just share a link on the WhatsApp. Sorry, on the Zoom chat. Okay. Whoever is interested, but as I said, this is not a regular offer. Okay. This kind of offers is only what I give during such webinars or during such webinars. Okay, so these are kind of limited offers. So I'm let me just share this on okay. So there is a link. Oh, sorry, I have shared this in a private. Let me, yeah. So I've shared this link. Okay, so all you have to do is simply go to this link, and if you want to convert this into an EMI, okay, so there are multiple EMI options available. So you can go for a 3 month, 6 month, 9 months, or 12, even 24 months of EMI, provided you use a credit card. Okay, so with through the credit card, you can definitely make choose the EMI option while you make the payment, and then you will get to see what installment number of installments you can choose. But yes, so this is only for the first 4 signups. Okay, today. And I know it is less, but see, I mean, that is what I believe in. Okay, people who are able to take action. Okay, only those entrepreneurs are the ones who reach to a success. Okay, see, even I have done this. Okay, so even I have learned this from my mentors. Okay, so as I said, I have 3 to 4 coaches whom I follow. And initially, before I did not take action, I used to watch a lot of webinars, but I never took an action. Okay, a lot of workshops that I've attended, but I always used to feel कि ठीक है करेंगे बाद में. Okay, but the day when I started taking action, okay, that was the actual time when my life started changing. I was able to see results. Okay, and as I said, you will definitely need a coach. Okay, so without a coach, as I said, you must be very good in terms of academics, in terms of the operations, how to teach the teachers, how to train the teachers and all. But then, in terms of running a preschool business, in terms of marketing and all, that's where you'll need a support of someone like me. Okay, so yes, so now as I've already shared the link, I'll also open the chat and let me see if you have any questions. So maybe if you have any queries in this, you can just put them on this chat window. I can address them one by one. If needed, I'll also unmute the particular person, and then we can have a talk here itself. So yes, I think Jayesh Tha is asking me, first 4 is too less. First 10 sounds great. Let the money flow so we can pay. Yeah. So see, actually, as I told you, Jessa, this is a very particular kind of a offer which I generally give only in these kind of workshops. Okay, so to be very frank, these when I give this offer, it is nowhere in wherein I am trying to make money or something like that. These offers will depend in terms of the kind of workload that we have. Okay, so even if I ask for say more than four signups right now, we should also be able to deliver that kind of quality work. Okay, and that's the reason we limit these offers to, maybe this time we are limiting it to four signups. Maybe 1 week down the line, if I'm coming up with a workshop, considering the workload that my team has, I might have an offer for 10 people. Okay, 10 signups, but right now I'll have to limit it to only four signups. So yes, any other questions? Any other queries? Okay, I'll just unmute you. Sure.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hi,
Sandeep,
Jesta.
it was hi. It was a good workshop, good insight. I think more or less some guidance is always there, good takeaways.
Yes.
Yeah, I just wanted to say that preschools have been majorly affected, and it's still going to be like this at least till August to October. Any time that we intend to start, till then we don't know how are we placed. So right
Mm-hmm.
now with the logistics, to be honest, with the rental part, it becomes a bit too much. When there is no revenue
Mm-hmm.
coming in from March, I'm talking
Yeah.
zero revenue. Even for online, parents are not opting for. So if we can get some help, since you're already extending that help,
Hmm.
right now at least for this supporting period, if you could support us with this fee structure, makes more sense because it is uh, not adding to the pressure for us. At the
Correct.
same time, we are able to work to what you are suggesting, like the 30 leads or something. So once the registrations keep happening, definitely we can see more, and then
Correct. Correct.
we can look into it. But right now, the hands are tied, to be honest. If I have to sign up, I may probably not sign up, even if I want to.
No, I agree. So, see,
Yeah,
that's the reason we have given EMI offer. Okay, so see, for us also, if you see last 1 year, because till March I was associated with around 120 preschools. Okay,
correct.
and suddenly in the next 1 or 1.5 month, we came down to almost 15 to 20 schools. Okay, so
Yes,
just like you, it has affected us, and
yes.
but still I'm trying to do my best, and what I have done is I have tied up with Instamojo, which has this EMI facility. Okay, so you can definitely split this amount. So even during my last workshop, there were around 6 to 7 people who signed up. They opted for an EMI option, wherein they were able to split this amount, okay, into depending on what EMIs the credit card is offering. So there are different multiple options depending on which credit card you are using.
Yeah,
So
because I
that
don't use a credit card. I'm off the credit card.
yeah, but yes,
So
I
what
mean,
about people like us?
So maybe you can try arranging one, maybe through your friends. But see, because what happens here is already we have reduced the yearly package to half. Okay, like from 48 50,000 to we are charging 25,000 for a selective class of people, and that's the reason we are giving this offer. But then, considering the workflow and overall service that we plan to deliver, this particular offer is only possible if we get this amount in one shot. And that's the reason maybe at your end you have this option of using a credit card and splitting it amount. But if you don't have a credit card, I mean, then I'm not sure how this can work out, because for me to get this amount in one shot, because there's already a heavy discount which I'm offering, is what needs to be considered. Okay, yeah. So great. Any other questions? Any other? Great. So I have anyways recorded this session, and I'm going to. There'll be a SMS, and there'll be. I'll be adding all these participants to my mailing list. Okay, and so that you are updated. Tomorrow we are coming up with a workshop. So most of you have already registered for that, and this particular workshop is as I said, it will be, the host would be Sheetal Jetty, who's the founder at Chalk Academy, Teachers Training Academy, and she'll be covering a lot of questions in terms of how you can get yourself NEP ready. Okay, how you can get your preschools NEP ready. So the workshop is happening tomorrow at 11:30. So don't forget to register, and you'll get an SMS and email after this workshop. So great, guys. It was nice. Are there any kind of questions you have? I still have the chat window open. So if there are any questions, I can take them up. Otherwise, we can then end this meeting. Okay. So great. It was nice having you all on a Saturday morning. Okay. I hope I've added some value in today's workshop. Okay, by helping you with the 3 secrets of how you can generate these leads. Okay. So great. So have a nice weekend, and yes, thanks a lot for attending the session today. Yeah. Bye.